We're going to talk about the turbo. What? Oh, you would have seen that. Turbo review time. I've shaved my head and we're reviewing the turbo. Oh my god, that's gonna scratch the fuck out of my car. Oh, we're going out bush. And we're reviewing the turbo. Hui. 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 Okay. We're going to talk about the turbo. How is it compared to my original turbo? I think it hits harder. When it hits boost, it hits hard. But it hits slower, if that makes sense. It hits later. The other one hit earlier and was sort of a smooth, consistent sort of build up of speed. This one goes a bit later, but it hits hard. So it's good. I don't know how I'd compare it to my other one though, my original stock turbo. Is it better on fuel? No. I probably need to get it tuned. I definitely need to get it tuned, and that could help my fuel issue. But I also need a new exhaust. So that'll come later on down the track. And it sucks because this thing's always been shit on fuel, especially the way I drive it. And we're having a fuel crisis at the moment. It's $3.20 for a litre of diesel. A litre. $3. It's ridiculous. Anyways, we won't talk about that. What would I do differently? Probably more research. I would do a bit more research so I didn't snap bolts, because I'm not a mechanic. I sure as hell want to be in my own regard, not do it for a living, but have the knowledge to be able to do whatever I want to my Mark II and this. We'll talk about the Mark II in another video too. Overall, it was a good experience. I had fun doing it, I had fun filming it, I had fun editing it, and I'm keen to do more. I'm very excited to do more. I've got a whole list of parts I have a whole list of parts waiting for the Mark II. Again, that's another video. We'll talk about that in another video. But overall, I enjoyed the experience. I feel much more confident mechanically. That's definitely the most complicated thing I've done. It was simple, but very complicated, and I don't know, very important aspect of a mechanical job. Like a turbo that feeds the motor, and if I do it wrong, I could damage my motor and the new turbo. So far so good, so I'm happy about that. So I'm happy, and I'm happy with myself and how it turned out. If you haven't seen that, check it out. Watch my first video too. They're not very good, but we'll get better. We'll get better. This is gonna only be my third video, so yeah. But we'll do a bit of a driving and performance review. So let's hop in the car and hit the road. now gonna do all that again. Yay! Turn off. Go away. Fuck. Long story short, went to the servo, spent $60 on 19 litres. So for any American viewers, that's like almost, it's like almost $13. I think it's like $12.70 per gallon, around that, per 4 litres. AUD. I don't know what it would be in USD. But in regard to the turbo, compared to when I put it in, it's taken weeks, but it's gotten better and better. Like, it hits boost hard, it just hits boost later than what my old turbo did. Like, as you can hear, crawling, and then I hit boost. You can hear it pick up revs quicker and easier. Is it faster? I don't think so. Probably definitely after a tune, but I don't think so. It does, this turbo supposedly, you can just bolt it on, don't need a tune. And I agree, because it's fine, but it could be better with a tune. It could be so much better. They also reckon you hit boost earlier, which isn't true. Well, I'm not a professional. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It still is quick though. I just gotta be up it and drag my gears out, otherwise it's slow. There we go, another red light. It's a nice looking Audi. Audi. Whatever, Dory. Dart. Smoke. Dazzle. Shake, shake, shake your leg all the way up the road. Oh, here we go, Hilux for racing. Let's see who's faster. He doesn't know. That was the fucking wheelie card or Forza. What? Oh, I've never seen one of them in person, bro. Mayo or some shit? I don't know how to say it. Why is up my ass? Yeah, go away. Go away, get away from it. Get out of it. Would I recommend this turbo? If it's all you can afford, yes, it's perfectly fine. but for a little bit more money, I can't remember how much more, you can get like better turbos. This one cost me $800. Put it up on the screen, the turbo I got. It's like a stage 1 high flow turbo. What really sold me was the no need to tune, just bolt it straight on. So I was like, that's what I need, because then I can do it myself. I could have done the other ones myself too, but you know, I can't really afford a tune at the moment. So my plan is for this thing, tough it out with this as is, get an exhaust, make a video on that, get my injectors done because I need new injectors. That's going to my mechanic for that. That's going to cost a pretty penny. It's like $2,000 for injectors for this. And then after all that's done, then I can get a tune, and she'll be pretty good after that. Should be better on fuel, and it should be faster too. Oh, that's 15. Nice. Very nice, very good. Yeah, but just a quick video today. Shorten it down a lot. We're not driving 3,000 Ks like the first one. We're not spending all weekend putting a turbo in like the second one. Just some nice shots of the car. A little bit of driving, a little bit of talking. So, if you made it this far, thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate the support I've been getting. It's incredible. I was not expecting to have the startup that I've had. I was not expecting my videos to perform as well as they have been. I'm gonna stay consistent, and I'm going to keep progressing. My goal is just to make each video better than the last, and that's all I'm focusing on. So again, thank you. And if you made it this far, like, subscribe. It helps me out, it helps me grow. And it fucking motivates me. Oh, I'm motivated regardless, but it's a good feeling. It's nice seeing it grow slowly. I'm excited. On to the next one. We'll see you then.